One key factor determines the life of your boiler: regular maintenance. Without it, extreme heat can warp critical components, leading to costly repairs, or worse, total failure. That's where HVAC 911 comes in. Our certified technicians are ready to future-proof your boiler and protect your bottom line. Scheduling maintenance at the end of each cold season keeps your system running at peak efficiency for years to come. During a routine check, our experts test the gas rate, system pressure, and perform a combustion analysis to ensure safe, efficient operation. We also recommend installing a magnetic system filter to remove metallic sludge from your pipes and prevent long-term damage. Don't wait for a breakdown that leads to extensive repairs or replacements. Our contractor referral network instantly connects you with local service techs who can schedule your annual boiler maintenance right away. HVAC 911. Emergency HVAC service just one click away.